I'm Craig Nard. Welcome to the Center for Law, Technology, and the Arts. Case Western Reserve University Law School is a place where students can come to learn and develop skills in managing the intellectual assets of not only large corporations, but the startup company, the entrepreneur, the innovator, and the creative artist. Of course, one of the most important parts of our center is our faculty. Talented in the classroom, very engaged with our students, they are doing some truly cutting-edge scholarship. And, perhaps most importantly, our faculty take very seriously working with our students and securing jobs for them. The center curriculum is based on the notion that intellectual property is a boardroom issue, a business asset. For example, our Fusion program is an interdisciplinary initiative that teaches students the principles of IP management, commercialization, and opportunity assessment.
We believe Fusion adds a lot to the marketability of our law students because they can come out saying, I've not only got to work on a world-class invention, but I've got to work hand in hand for up to a year with scientists, engineers, and business professionals.
After the Fusion coursework, students can enroll in the Intellectual Property Venture Clinic. It is here, in the clinic, where students represent clients directly, and they are immersed immediately into the startup ecosystem of Case Western Reserve University and Northeast Ohio more broadly.
In the IP Venture Clinic, you'll help your clients cultivate and protect intellectual property that can be the basis for an investable business, which you'll also help them structure and launch.
We recently helped a client finish their operating agreement for their LLC. Through my hands-on experience in the clinic, I got to see it firsthand.
This is a rare combination of both business and intellectual property law under one roof. We teach you how to counsel your clients to build an investable enterprise.
Intellectual property is an international phenomenon, and the center's curriculum reflects this. Our WIPO lab actually engages the World Intellectual Property Organization, the preeminent international institution related to international IP, and our students work directly with representatives from this UN agency.
So the lab is where we go to test out ideas that aren't quite ready for prime time yet. It's a testing ground. And the students are ideal because they come with no prejudices. They can really bring new things to the table. By the time the students get through the lab experience, they have concrete evidence of the work in this area.
Every year, one or two of our students goes to work in the Office of Legal Counsel for the World Intellectual Property Organization.
Going to WIPO and seeing, working on the treaties and looking over some of the old treaties and seeing how they're applied, just really gave me a great overview about what intellectual property is. And because it's so global now, it was a really great opportunity for me to experience.
Our center also has a significant presence in law and the arts. For example, our Great Lakes Sports and Entertainment Law Academy is a 3-week intensive program that offers 4 courses. Students can take 2 courses related to sports taught by one of the leading sports lawyers in the country, or 2 courses relating to entertainment taught by executives in Hollywood and elsewhere.
So when I teach this course, I concentrate on my 35, I don't know how many years, experience in the music industry. We really try and bring it to life with real-world examples. So if we're studying infringement, I make it on a piano and do a bunch of examples. If we're talking about licensing, we'll talk with somebody in California who licenses music all day long.
We also have courses devoted to law and the visual arts, as well as courses related to cultural patrimony and the repatriation of cultural property, a fascinating area. And most recently, we created a joint degree in law and art history and museum studies.
So a student could learn from both sides. At the law school, they would learn the legal aspects, but in the art history and museum studies program, they would learn how that actually affects the world of museums and the claims of ownership.
When I saw that Case had the joint degree, the JD, with the MA in art history and museum studies, I knew that was the answer. It's absolutely why I came to Case.
One of the things that I think sets this center apart and really sets this law school apart from many other places is our focus on experiential learning. Training as a lawyer has to begin in the classroom, but it can't really end there.
University Circle is a wonderful place to live, and this law school, this center, is a wonderful place to learn about representing the innovator and the artist.